Okay, here's the caliper and the two pads were in like that. Leave that like that. These are here where the caliper goes, and here's the rotor. Try to get the rotor off of here. All the bolts were sheared, but one sheared off completely. Who knows what happened? Bearings seized up. I don't know. Don't know the state of the tire. That was the new tire, but it was flat, you know, so it must have blew out. It must have busted through somehow when the wheel sheared off. Out. I don't know if that's is savable. My spare has some air in it.